All right, guys, we are here at Barkley Heights today, taking a look. This is a new development here in Bellingham. They're building right behind me. They have a bunch of units that are available, and we're going to go take a walk through. We're having a broker's caravan, actually. A lot of agents that are over here kind of taking a look and preview and seeing what we see. I'm going to share with you guys what is going on over here. The community is featuring ensuite bathrooms and smart mirrors. They have 1 and 2 car garage configurations. They have charging outlets. Leo, are there charging outlets on every single one?
Every single one is wired for outlets.
Wired for outlets. This is my buddy Leo. He is the listing agent over here at the Barkley Heights with Bellingham Real Estate Co.
Yep.
And yeah, we're doing a little tour today, right?
It's a little camera there. It's so small.
Yeah, it's gonna look
awesome.
awesome.
Is this where 2025 technology is?
Exactly. It fits in the palm of your hand.
That's right. So you've got EV outlets in every single garage. There are 1 and 2 car garages depending on the unit.
Okay. Ductless mini splits in every single one, so heat and air conditioning, that's a plus.
Yep.
Whirlpool appliances, all stainless steel throughout, covered decks, wired outdoor heaters, and then fire system, right? That lowers your insurance.
Yep.
Fantastic.
Yep.
Okay.
And it is also wired for solar, so all the electrical's done. It just needs to have solar installed on the roof for all those of you that want to give back to the grid and save some money.
Fantastic. And we're just right up the hill in Barkley, from Barkley Village and Sunset Square, short drive to Northridge Park, Big Rock Garden, Lake Whatcom, Bloedel Donovan, Whatcom Falls. You name it, this place is a killer location, and we're gonna go take a look at some of these.
Have fun.
Hey Leo, thank you.
Don't buy them all.
Okay, over here at Barkley Heights. So we're looking through a few different floor plans today. There is a handful of units that are available right now. So there's 2 bedroom, 1.5 bath, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, 4 bedroom, 3.25 bath, with different configurations of 1 or 2 car garages. Right across the way over here, there's going to be single family homes that they're going to be building. And yeah, they're offering some cool incentives. So there's a builder credit incentive. There is a lender credit if you're using their preferred lender. and just the proximity to everything in Barkley and Bellingham. Man, if you have not taken a look at Barkley Heights up here, you probably should come take a look. You might just find your new home. Got the primary suite here on the top floor. Beautiful inlays in the bathroom here. Beautiful views of the trails and the trees all the way around. Let's take a look in here. You have your laundry. Washer and dryer right at the end of the hall here. Couple other buyer incentive programs they have going on right now. There is a up to 2% builder credit. So if you are have an accepted offer, the builder is going to be throwing in 2% of your purchase price towards your closing cost credit. And they have a preferred lender over here. There's up to, with Edge Homes Lending, Jeremy Beck has a 1% credit if you are working with him, 1% of the loan amount, up to $5,000 in a credit. So they're running a couple specials over here in Barkley Heights. So again, stay tuned, stick around, and let's take a look at some of these cool properties. lender here at Barkley Heights. This is Jeremy Beck over at Edge
Home Finance.
And then you are offering right now, Jeremy, a special. If somebody's financing with you up in Barkley Heights, 1%
Of the loan amount.
of the loan amount credit up to $5,000.
On top of the builder's credit.
On top of the builder's credit.
Yeah, and so you can use that for interest rate buy down, permanent buy down, temporary buy down, whatever you'd like to do. So we're trying to be super flexible for people and meet them where they're at. You know, everyone's got a little different situation. So
Fantastic.
try to be as flexible as we can.
So if you are interested in Barkley Heights or this awesome lender credit that we have, Jeremy's information is going to be right in the bottom of the video here. Look forward to talking with you soon. Thanks. And maybe townhome style construction is not your cup of tea. Well, guess what? If that's not your jam, this might be. Single family homes, they have ADUs or detached ADUs. Not exactly sure, but under construction right across the street here in Barkley Heights. So if you have any real estate related questions, if you're thinking about making a move here in Bellingham, looking for something close to Barkley area, check out Barkley Heights. And a big thank you to my friends over at Bellingham Real Estate Co. for hosting over here today. We're taking a look at a few of the different floor plans over here. Some of the amenities of the neighborhood are treed conservation land just west of the neighborhood with a cool walking trail that connects to just down below in Barkley area here. We're close to Clipson and Railroad trails. Up the hill from Barkley Village and Sunset Square, just a short drive to Northridge Park. There's a Big Rock Park, there's Lake Whatcom, Blowdale Donovan, and Whatcom Falls. I mean, there's so many parks. The location is awesome over here. And again, I personally do a lot of shopping over at the Barkley Hagen over here and Sunset Square. The movie theater is right down the way. So come take a look. Let's go look at another floor plan. So if you are thinking about Barkley Heights, there's some killer incentives right now. So there's the builder incentive. There's our friend Jeremy Beck lender incentive. So if you are thinking about Barkley area, if you're thinking about Bellingham, there's some really cool stuff over here. Some information in the video, and look forward to talking soon.